Hi, I hope you're having an amazing day. As you saw from the title of this video, we're going to be doing a hot Cheeto look. So if that interests you, if you want to see what products I use, how I got this look, and my thoughts on everything, just keep on watching. But before that, don't forget, if you like tricks or makeup, go ahead and stick around, subscribe, maybe hit the bell so you're notified whenever I upload. And if you could like the video if you like it, and the video is going to start right now. Okay, first of all, before we get into everything, all the fun stuff, I don't know if I showed you guys in the beginning or if you guys noticed, but I did get some earrings. I've had these for a while. Actually, the last time that I filmed this video, I believe I had these on, and that was like pre-eyelashes. So, woof, I think that was like a couple years ago. I don't even know. I'll put it on the screen. That video was a long time ago, so I felt like we needed to redo it. And I'm going to start off with some lip plumping situation from Starry. I also got these from Hot Topic, and I got these nails on Shein. They're really nice. Next, we have the eyebrow products. I'm going to use my e.l.f. Shape and Stay. This is their brow pencil that's like a brow wax. I always forget the name. I don't know why. I love this product. Really easy, really quick, just to throw on and go. And then also the Romantic Beauty eyebrow pencil. I remember I really enjoyed this. I mentioned in a couple favorites videos, and then I just stopped using it for some reason. So I also feel like there's a little bit of product in here left. So if I could use it up, that would be a bonus. But it is a really good product. But it's a little, you know, it's similar to my AOA Slim Brow that I always talk about, and that one's only $1. So anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and take this product, basically take it over my brow to kind of like stamp them down. All right, so I went ahead and filled them in just a little bit. I'm gonna go back and fix them a little later. We're gonna go into the AOA Studio Nude Primer for our eyelids today. Next, we're gonna go into the eyeshadow palette of the day, which is the Cheetos Flaming Hot times Riley Rose. I found this a long time ago at Forever 21. Such a drama starter on the net, but here it is. It's really nice. I actually used it for all those like hot Cheeto related videos, and this is a really nice formula. However, the price was a little over the top. I believe this palette here was like $12.99 or something like that, something crazy, maybe even $15.99. It's a really good quality palette, and it does come with a mirror on the back. So we are going to use this palette today. And I'm also thinking, I don't know, we have this from Italia Deluxe, which is a liquid like a liquid eyeshadow, and the shade Nude in Ibiza in 08, which is an orangey kind of shimmer shade. We have this MAC little mini loose, it's like a loose pigment. This one's in the shade Rose, so it is like a rose gold kind of loose shimmer shade, and it's really nice. I already swatched it, so we may use that today. And also this from Romantic Beauty, which is a pearl liquid liner in the shade 10, and this is like a beautiful red shade. So let's see what happens, because I don't know. And then for liner, I'm going to use the Amuse 2-in-1 pencil and liquid eyeliner, which is new from Shamus A. Whew, that was a mouthful. I think I'm just avoiding this because I have no idea what I'm doing. I never do. I just kind of, you know, wing it. I'm going to use the orange matte shade first. I think I always do this, but it'll be a nice kind of crease shade. These are just a tad powdery. Next, taking the red matte shade into the crease. Okay. And you know what's so weird? I haven't really been into cutting my crease for a while now. I don't know what it is. I just like, it's just such an extra step. I just go in with the shimmer, and I think that's what I'm going to do today. So I do want to put something down. I'm thinking I want to use this. Oh, this is such a beautiful shimmer, the yellow one. But I might do that on the lower lash line. So I'm going to take this from MAC, and I'm going to throw that all over the lid. It's a nice kind of rose gold moment, but it kind of has like shifts of orange, which I felt would work really well. And it is. It's working nicely. Okay, so that's what we have so far. It's really metallic. I love it. This is so pretty. I'm definitely going to keep using that. I'm going to tap a little bit of this from Italia Deluxe over top, just to further add shimmer. It's really pretty. You see how it just added like a little more shimmer, a little more metallicness? Yay! Okay, this is coming out really nice. I'm gonna intensify the outer corner a little more. I think I'm just gonna throw on liner, lashes, everything off camera. I already told you guys what I'm gonna use, and we'll be right back to do face. Next, I'm gonna go ahead and throw on a primer. So I did, oh wait, I don't think I've used these on here actually. If you follow me on Instagram, you already saw this. If you haven't, I did find this primer at my local Q Bargain, and this is from Italia Deluxe, and it's called the Relief Gripping Primer. I did use it once before. I used it in my, oh, I believe I did use it in my birthday look. So we are going to use this today again, and then we're going to use the new one that comes in this type of packaging. It's a high maintenance putty primer. So I do want to use this and see how it goes, what we think of it. So I'm going to take some of this. That's how that looks. It's a really pretty heavy packaging. So I am going to throw this one all over the face. It smells really nice, smells like skincare. This one here is the high maintenance Poreless face filter, and it is a face primer, and basically it comes in the same packaging as like the e.l.f. one, and it looks like this. It looks really nice. I don't think it has any type of smell to it, and that's just a close-up look at that product. So what I'm going to do is just like I do with all my Poreless face primers, just throw it in the center of the face here, like the inner portions of the face. It's like thick, but it's blending in really easily. Almost feels like balmy. So interesting. Let me look. It looks like balmy, right? Whereas like the e.l.f. putty primer feels very, I don't know, like creamy. This one feels balmy. I really do want to compare them. We might do that for another video. Let me know if you want to watch that down below. But okay, it's working rather well. I just wanted to give it a try today and see what I think, and let me see how the foundation goes over top. But so far so good. I'm gonna take the one that's in my Shop My Stash. This is a little deep on me. I've never noticed how deep this is. This is in the one in Golden Amber from L'Oreal. Girl, I always look like really orange when I use this. Next, I'm taking some cream products. I'm taking the AOA Studio Sculpt FX contour or bronzer stick, and I'm going to contour the face. I don't know why I keep saying gonna instead of going to. I just kind of like mix those two words together and make them together. I don't know. So pretty. Next, I'm going to take the Metamorphosis Blushing Bubbles Liquid Blush in the shade Emotion. I did throw in a couple of other Metamorphosis products just so I can use them a little more. This product is so good. It just blends in so nicely. I really love this liquid blush. So good. And for highlight, I'm going to take the Colourpop Flexitarian highlight. I haven't used this in a while, so we are going to use this today and kind of stamp it on. It might be a little much, honestly. Oh my gosh. I haven't used this in a long time, and I may have hit pan. Oh my gosh. So I'm going to blend that in with my sponge now a little more, and we're gonna add a little bit of concealer, the e.l.f. Camo Concealer. I love this product. I use mine in medium beige. I have over applied the concealer. Yep. You know, it just gives you that lifted effect. It's so pretty. So what I'm thinking is I'm going to go off camera. I'm going to throw on powder. I'm going to blend this out. I'm just going to throw on some powder products using the Wet n Wild to set the under eyes, and then the Metamorphosis loose powder, and I have mine in 02. So cute. Look at that. I love the packaging. And we'll be back for like the fun stuff, which is like bronzer and blush and highlight and lips and all of that. Tell me why I never noticed how this powder gives me a glowy face. I don't know how I never noticed that. As I was throwing it on, I have I have oily skin. It is a little hot today as well, but I never noticed that it gives me like a luminosity to the face, which I think is interesting. Kind of like those veil kind of products that you throw on and they give you like a natural kind of glow to the skin. I think this does this for me, which is so weird because I've never noticed it until today. I threw it on my chin, and I don't know if you could see, it gives me like a natural kind of glow, not like a sweaty glow, but like a natural glow. Unfortunately, that's not what I'm looking for. I'm looking for mattification. I'm gonna, oh my gosh, why do I keep saying that? I'm going to grab my powder from Beauty Creations, kind of fix this up. I don't know, it's like breaking up on the nose. It is a little hot, like I mentioned, but that's interesting. It's nice, but that's not what I'm looking for today, but it's good to know. So if you're into those products that gives you like that natural glow from within kind of look to the face, I think this would be perfect for anybody with like dry skin. It's so weird, I never noticed that. It doesn't even like mattify the skin. It just set the foundation and gave me that glow, like glow from within. Nothing crazy, but interesting. I never knew that from this product. We're learning new things every day, people. All right, now we're gonna go and use the Cheetos Extra Flaming Hot from Riley Rose and Cheetos. This is their highlighter bronzer. This was also really expensive. It does come with a mirror, and this is the product. Now I do usually use this as a blush, but we do have a blush palette today. So what I'm thinking, I'm just going to use it as a bronzer. It is a little orange, but we'll see if I can make this work. Basically, it has like all the colors of Cheetos with some bronzer shades mixed in there, which is really interesting. There is a gardener trying to be extremely loud. Okay, so if you hear that, that's what's happening. Oh gosh. Uh-oh. Oh, you see how it looks really nice, but it's so shimmery. And let me tell you, if you have texture in any of these areas, not that you're gonna go and purchase this, I don't even think it's available anymore, but girl, it's so pretty, but my texture is very highlighted because it is like a shimmery bronzer situation, but it's giving us, you know, the moment. Okay, it's tying everything together. Next, I'm taking the Metamorphosis blush palette, and this is the Blushing Bubbles palette. It came along with the liquid blushes, like the one we used earlier. Basically, it comes with a mirror on the back. It comes with 6 beautiful tones. How stunning is this palette? I haven't used it in such a long time, so what drew me to this palette for today's video is like the red shade, but I don't think I'm gonna be able to use that, girl. This one here is just a little bright. So I'm gonna use this one. This is just a safer bet for my skin tone, which is your a cutie. But I love how versatile this palette is, and these are beyond, like when I say beyond pigmented, they kind of scare me. They're that pigmented, girl. I love the fact that it comes with a mirror, so convenient. Taking that shade, and I'm just gonna throw it up here. Oh yeah, that looks so nice. And it's complementing that bronzer rather well as well. So pretty. Next, I'm taking the Metamorphosis Bonita palette, and it's so cute. I remember when this came out and they posted the like reveal photo, I was so excited because it's like a little bunny in her vanity. She's like doing her little makeup situation, and this is so cute. And you do also get a mirror in here, and you get 6 beautiful highlight tones. Again, like a variety of tones in here. They're so stunning. So what I'm thinking for the inner corner is kind of mixing maybe the goldish kind of shades as well as for the face. Why not? Oh, and these are extremely foiled as well. I love that they're not like scared like with their products. Like they make them really pigmented, they make them really foiled, and not like they're not like safe and do like very subtle things. They do such a good job with their products. Definitely check them out if you haven't already. Their products are so good, especially if you're into like those very not like glittery highlights, but highlights that are intense. I think you're gonna enjoy this palette quite a lot because it gives you that glow that you want and need. Just taking a tad bit for that brow bone area. Okay, girl, we are glowing. Getting just a little bit of mascara on the bottom. I'm just gonna wipe that away in a little bit. I'm taking my Ebony York lip liner in the shade Violet Red. It's so pretty. I'm taking the Ioni liquid lipstick, and this is just a beautiful red tone. Okay, guys, so this is the final look. Oh my gosh, it came to a little bit of a crazy ending just because I gotta get it going, but we did make it to the end. I just added a little bit of lip gloss, and this is the AOA Studio Lip Pop in the shade Celeb. Some setting spray from Beauty Creations. I really like how the look came out. Let me know what you think down below. This one looks a little deeper because of the mascara that was stuck down there, but I don't have time to fix it, So this is what we're working with today. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and let me know down below what you think of this look. What was your favorite product that I used today, all of that, what your favorite type of chip is, and we made it to the end. So I hope you enjoyed watching as much as I enjoyed filming this for you today. Everything that I talked about, other names of the prices, are going to be down below, as well as any videos that I mentioned throughout this video or videos that I uploaded last week. Don't forget I upload 3 times a week on Tuesday, Thursday, and Sundays. If you could stick around, that would be amazing. I have my Insta handle displayed on the screen. I post a lot of makeup finds from drugstore to high end, so if that interests you, go ahead and follow me there. And it'd be so amazing if you could like and subscribe. Of course, you don't have to. You're your own person and you make your own decisions, but it wouldn't hurt to give this video a like, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.